Solid principles in C#. One real order service, refactored live. Solid is not a religion. It is 5 defaults that make C# code easier to change. We learn it by refactoring one real, ugly order service. One principle at a time. The trade-offs included 60 lines, 6 jobs, validate, discount, charge Stripe, save to SQL, send an email, write a log file. 3 hard-coded providers. Untestable without real infrastructure. Every change touches the same file. One class, one reason to change. The real test is stakeholders, not features. Finance owns payments, marketing owns email copy, the database team owns the schema. 3 stakeholders, 3 classes. Open to extension, closed to modification. A switch statement on payment type means every new provider edits the same file. A strategy interface means a new class and 0 touches to existing code. Subtypes must honor the contract of their base. The classic trap is cache on delivery silently doing nothing inside charge async. The fix is making the type system tell the truth, with a payment result and a deferred status. Clients should not depend on methods they do not use. If even one implementer throws not supported exception, the interface is lying. Split a fat payment interface into small capabilities: refundable, recurring, disputable. High-level modules depend on abstractions, not concretes. Inject a repository, a notification sender, a payment client. Now the order service runs in a 5 millisecond unit test with no database, no SMTP, no Stripe key. Solid is a default, not a religion. Break it in prototypes. Break it when you truly have only one variant. Almost never break Liskov. For the full side-by-side refactor, the 5-question pull request checklist, and the honest costs each principle carries, read the deep dive on Prep Stack. The link is on screen and in the description. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with your team, and leave a comment with your thoughts. And consider subscribing. Your support is what motivates me to keep creating more content like this. Thank you for watching.